guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Shayelle, and in today's video I'm back with another headband wig video, and this one is in collaboration with Ubettahair. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on my post notifications so you are aware of when I post, and let's just get straight into it. So this is their 20-inch deep wave hair, and yeah, let's just see what they're working with. So you do get included a little weaving cap, which I feel like it should have been just like a regular wig cap, but as usual, I already have my wig cap on, so it doesn't really matter. And then it does include some headbands, and then I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys the hair. So it is, of course, already protected in its net. And if you guys didn't know, headband wigs already have the headband attached onto it, so that's why it just makes this so easy and just like the fastest hairstyle ever. So as you can see, headbands already attached to the wig, and then it has the combs inside. I always prefer the comb ones instead of the ones that pop open. So it does have the combs in it, and right away I can just tell, like, soft hair, really gorgeous soft hair. Okay, so yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead. I already have my hair in a low bun, a little bit of baby hairs out, and my wig cap on, so I'm gonna put that on, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like with the other headbands. But I'm just undoing the Velcro, which is, ooh, girl, that was on there tight. It was secure. Okay, let me go ahead and just put this on. Ooh. The wig cap is a little too small for my head. A little too small, but we're gonna get it on here. It's a little tight. Okay, so once it's on, I always go ahead and just snap it in the back. So this is what it's looking like fresh out the package. It's a little flat, so of course I'm gonna have to make the hair bigger, but if you don't mind, you like flat hair, then girl, this is the look for you. But this is what it looks like fresh out the package. I like that big, full looking hair, so I'm just gonna run my fingers through it first, because that's how I usually get my hair to be bigger. But I really like how soft this unit is. Really soft curls, there's no weird smell, and it was just so easy to apply and put on my head. The wig cap fit a little tight, but nothing that's uncomfortable. Like, I just know it's gonna stay on my head, it's not going anywhere. I feel like the curl texture on this is really pretty, especially as I continue to fluff and fluff. You can just really see the hair starting to come to life. So if you want really defined curls, go ahead, but if you like that bigger hair, go ahead and just rake your fingers through and play with it. But it's such a nice unit. I feel like it has enough thickness to it. Like, if you don't like super thick hair, this is perfect because you can get it as big as you want. So, and the top looks good. Everything looks super natural. So you can leave hair out if you want to. I usually just leave out a little bit of baby hair and just a little bit of my hairline, because to me, you know, it looks more natural that way. But if you do not want to, you do not have to. And so yeah, this hair looks really cute when you do like kind of like a flip over type hairstyle, like so. Or you can of course do regular middle parts. I kind of do like an off middle part. I just feel like it looks a little bit more natural, like it's coming from the hair. Or you can do it all going back. Going all back looks cute too. I never do it going just back. Going back looks cute as well. But this hair is really cute. And of course you gotta keep in mind shrinkage. So like they said 20 inches, but it doesn't look 20 inches. But if you were to straighten this hair, then yes, it is actually 20 inches. And you can straighten this hair if you want to. Like, you can get so much out of wearing headband wigs, and that's why they're my favorite, because I can wet this and wear a wet look. I can straighten it, I can blow dry it, I can do whatever I want with this hair as if it was my own. So y'all know that's why I love my headband wigs. And y'all know my favorite, half up, half down. No, it's the half up, half down for me. But you could also do like half up with a bun. I never do that, but I used to like a long time ago. So yeah, this is what this looks like. Do it like really cute. I'm still fluffing at it because, you know, the bigger the hair. And for some reason, I'm one of those people, I love how the hair looks fresh out the packaging. I tend to not really want to wet my hair because I just like that fresh out the package look after you've fluffed it. Like, it just looks so cute to me. Usually like my loose deep wave type units are the ones I use for when I want to do my little half up, half down styles, because I think it looks cute. Like, this texture always reminds me of like wand curls. Like if your hair was straightened and then you just went in and wand curled it all over, that's what this reminds me of. So that's why I always like this hair for when I do my half up, half downs. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys what it looks like now with these headbands on real quick. So there's a little floral one. So this is what it looks like with the floral. Then there's a cheetah one. I feel like there's always a cheetah one. And these headbands, theirs feel a little bit different. Like, they're way more softer than like the usual headbands I get. Okay, so this is what it looks like with the cheetah. Really cute. And last is like a black floral one too. And this is what it looks like with that little black floral. So really, really cute. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out Ubettahair. I will have all their info linked in the description box below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.